Everyone says to start investing early, but how when I barely have $10 left after bills?
Maya, my dear, you know what your problem is.
That I'm broke?
No, it's that you think wealth building is a marathon when it's actually a video game.
What just happened?
Welcome to the $10 ETF Challenge, Level 1. Your mission, should you choose to accept it. Did you know that if you invest just $10 monthly in an ETF averaging 10% returns, in 30 years, you'll have over $22,000.
Welcome to Walk to Money, Walking to Success.
From just $10 a month?
That's the power of ETFs, young grasshopper. Exchange-traded funds. They're like buying a tiny piece of 500 companies at once. Modern brokerages like Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard now allow fractional ETF investing with zero minimums. First quest objective: download a brokerage app. I recommend starting with Fidelity. Zero fees on ETF trades.
Step 1. App download. Just downloaded it. This is easier than ordering pizza. Step 2. Account creation.
Personal info. SSN. Employment details. Standard RPG character creation, really.
Step 3. Funding your account. Bank linking. $10 transfer initiated. Wait, that's it?
Now, for the most important choice, selecting your first ETF. Each crystal represents different powers.
Crystal 1, VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market. Power, entire U.S. market exposure. Stats, 4,000 plus companies, 0.03% expense ratio. Special ability, maximum diversification. Crystal 2, VOO, Vanguard S&P 500. Power. Top 500 U.S. companies. Stats. 500 companies, 0.03% expense ratio. Special ability, blue chip concentration. Crystal 3 VT, Vanguard Total World Stock. Power. Global market domination. Stats. 9,000 plus companies worldwide, 0.10% expense ratio. Special ability, international diversification.
So many choices. Which one should I pick?
For beginners, I recommend VOO, the S&P 500. It's like buying tiny pieces of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google all at once.
Step 1. Search VOO. Step 2. Enter $10 investment.
It says I'll own 0.0205 shares. I can buy a fraction of a share?
You'll own pieces of 500 companies. Your $10 includes $1.40 in Apple, $1.20 in Microsoft, 80 cents in Amazon. Step 3. Review and confirm.
This is it. My first investment. I did it! I'm officially an investor. I own pieces of Apple and Google.
Congratulations! But Maya, this is just level 1. Your real adventure is about to begin. Ready for level 2, the monthly challenge.
Maya has unlocked the power of ETF investing, but will she have the discipline to continue? Can $10 monthly really build serious wealth? And what happens when the market inevitably crashes? The plot thickens.
Welcome to level 2, Maya. Your mission: invest $10 every month for 6 months, no matter what.
That sounds easy. Just $10 a month, right?
Oh, young Padawan. You haven't met the market volatility dragons yet.
Month 1.
Easy. $10 invested. Portfolio, $20.35.
Month 2.
Another $10. Portfolio, $31.12. I'm crushing this game.
Maya was feeling unstoppable, but the market had other plans. Market down 15% this month. Recession fears grip investors. ETFs plummet across board. Month 3.
What? My $31 became $26? I'm losing money.
Sell, sell, cut your losses. This investing thing is risky.
Mr. Chen, I should quit while I'm not too far behind.
Maya, this is your biggest test. Do you know what smart investors do during crashes?
Run away?
They feast. Look at this data.
Historical data visualization, 2008 financial crisis, down 37%, recovered in 3 years. 2020 COVID crash, down 34%, recovered in 5 months. 2022, bear market, down 25%, recovered in 18 months.
Every crash in history has been followed by recovery. But here's the secret weapon. When prices drop, your $10 buys more shares. You're buying the same companies at a discount.
So, a crash is actually good for me?
Exactly. Let me show you the math magic.
Month 1. $10 equals 0.0205 shares at $487. Month 3. Crash. $10 equals 0.0241 shares at $414. Result, same $10, but 18% more shares.
I understand now. The crash isn't my enemy. Giving up is.
Month 3. Portfolio shows $36, drops to $31.
I'm buying more shares at discount prices.
Month 4. Market still volatile.
Another $10 invested. I'm accumulating shares.
Month 5. Slow recovery begins.
My discipline is paying off. Portfolio, $48.
Month 6. Full recovery plus growth.
Portfolio, $67. I did it.
Maya, you've learned the most important lesson. Time in the market beats timing the market.
So consistency isn't just about discipline, it's about mathematics.
Precisely. But Maya, are you ready for the final challenge? Level 3. The long-term vision quest.
Maya 1 year later. Portfolio $150,000. Maya 5 years later. Portfolio $780. Maya 10 years later. Portfolio $2,000 plus. Maya 30 years later. Portfolio $22,605.
Is that really possible?
That's just level 3, young investor. Ready to see what true financial freedom looks like? Welcome to the final level, Maya. This quest isn't measured in months, but in decades.
I'm ready. What's the strategy?
Simple, but not easy. Automate your $10 monthly investment and never stop. Let me show you the magic.
Step 1. Open Fidelity app. Transfer. Automatic investment.
Setting up automatic $10 monthly transfer from checking account.
Step 2. Select VOO. Dollar amount, $10. Frequency, monthly.
Every first of the month, like clockwork.
Step 3. Enable dividend reinvestment.
This means when companies pay dividends, they automatically buy you more shares.
So now it happens automatically? I don't have to remember?
Exactly. You've just automated your path to wealth. Now let's fast forward through time.
Older Maya.
Remember when you thought investing was impossible?
Young Maya.
But I only had $10.
Older Maya.
That $10 became the foundation of everything. Look around.
Emergency fund, $15,000. Investment portfolio, $47,000 plus. Side business income, $2,000 per month. Debt, $0. Financial stress, gone. Your mission, the $10 ETF challenge. Level 1, account setup, week 1. Download brokerage app, Fidelity/Schwab/Vanguard. Fund account with $10. Buy your first ETF, VOO/VTI/VT. Level 2, consistency, months 1 to 6. Set up $10 monthly automatic investment. Survive your first market dip without selling. Enable dividend reinvestment. Level 3, scale and optimize, years 1 to 30. Increase monthly amount as income grows. Stay disciplined through all market cycles. Watch compound interest work its magic.
Remember, you don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to start investing to become rich.
Maya, you've completed the ultimate quest.
It wasn't about the money, was it? It was about proving to myself that I could build something lasting. Your financial freedom journey starts with a single $10 step. What are you waiting for?
The game begins now.
If you like this video, subscribe, hit that bell button for notifications, and share with someone you think this video will help. This is Walk to Money, walking to success.